Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add cube spin effect on Premiere Pro. So for that, we just need to open Premiere Pro. After opening it, we just need to drag the video clip which you want to add the effect. And after that, here you can see the original footage which I want to add the effect. And for adding the effect, you just need to go to effects. If you don't have an effects over here, then here on the top, here is second last option. You can see here window, click on that. And then here is an option you can see here effects, click on that, or otherwise you can click shift+7 and the effects will open. After opening the effects, here you can see a search bar over here, click on that and search for cube spin. And then here you can see the effect cube spin, drag that effect to video clip. And here I'm just going to add the effect in the beginning and the ending of the video clip. And after dragging the effect, you play your video, you can see that you had been added cube spin effect to video clip on Premiere Pro. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.